Hola,
Bonjour.
konnichiwa,
Hello. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dhruv Joshi.
and I am Naisha Parikh,
We welcome you to our digital assembly.
and we are your hosts for today.
And our topic today is sustainable development. Now, over to you, Naisha. Naisha, over to you. Hey, are you not listening to me?
Yeah, you were saying something?
You good?
Nothing. I had a very bad dream this morning.
What happened in that?
Wait, I will show you.
Let me go out. Why is there so much pollution? I'm getting so thirsty. Oh, there's a discount on the water and food bills. Let me take it. They're so expensive, but I have to take them. There's a man selling oxygen. Let me take it. Why is it so expensive? But I don't have enough money for it. Thank God this was just a dream. Let me call Vinaman and inform him about this. Why do you look so horrified? I had a bad dream. I saw a lot of pollution and so I couldn't breathe and I got suffocated.
Well, when we compare to the present world, there is indeed a lot of pollution, but still, we should pray that it never happens again. Do you want to watch TV?
Okay, I'll watch TV. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Thought of the Day channel where we make your day brighter by giving you thoughts and knowledge. Today's thought of the day is look after the land will look after you. Destroy the land, it will destroy you. Thank you.
It was a terrible dream indeed, Naisha. And so we should follow sustainable development goals for the fair future of people and the planet. But Naisha, do you know what is sustainable development?
Dhruv, do you know about sustainable development?
Uh,
Okay, jokes apart. There's one friend of mine who knows very well about it. So now I would like to call upon Daksh to give us some information on sustainable development.
Hello everyone, my name is Daksh Dongre from 6G. Our digital assembly topic is sustainable development. So, I would like to tell you what is sustainable development. Sustainable development has become a controversial topic in today's world. Environmental degeneration is exponentially increasing due to overgrazing, global warming, deforestation, forest fire, etc. Thus, shifting to sustainable development methods and technologies has become a need of the hour. World Commission on Environment and Development issued a report, Our Common Future, in 1987, which defined sustainable development as development which meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. One major thing to understand here is that sustainable development does not talk about shifting to pre-industrial era but promotes alternative ways of working that preserve the environment. The environment was earlier treated as the source of raw material by various industries and businesses, but restoring a balance between development and conservation of surroundings can help in the reduction of global climatic changes like ozone depletion, water crisis, pollution, species loss, and deforestation. In order to achieve sustainable development, strict environmental laws have been created by the countries which are now being implemented across the globe with the help of state and volunteers. If these laws are followed strictly, then we will be able to achieve our goal of balancing environment and development. Thank you.
Thank you, Daksh, for this information. Now,
yeah, I think now we know quite well about it. But Naisha, do you know that where India stands in the terms of sustainable development?
no, I don't, but I think it's an interesting topic. I want to know more about it.
I have a friend of mine who can help you out of this. So now I would like to call upon Vikramaditya to tell us where India stands in the terms of sustainable development.
You know about those things that you keep wondering about and they keep bugging you? Well, now that you have learned about sustainable development, have you wondered where does our country stand into all of this? No, no one is going to dig that deep into this topic till that extent that they would think about this. Well, I'll still tell you about it. Let's talk about how exactly we determine how good a country is following the goals. A sustainable development report is made by the Sustainable Development Solutions Network (SDSN). To make this report, they calculate the score of each country in each sustainable development goal. And the average of all 17 of them is the score out of 100. Yeah, simple enough. Now, how much did India score? And how well did it do? Well, firstly, in 2019, it was 115th out of 165 countries. To give some context, the first rank was Denmark with a score of 85.5. Not too bad. Now, in 2020, oh my god, 53rd rank with 71.1. That is a huge improvement. And now, in 2021, what? Rank 5 with a score of 81.1. How is this possible? Well, that is the clean part. It wasn't possible and it didn't happen. India version with a score of 61.92 and with 117th rank in 2020 and a 120th rank in 2021 from a score of 61.1 to 60.1. What I just said about India improving a lot. If you don't have short term memory, get it checked. Yeah, so whatever I just said about India improving by a lot should be our goal. We should sustainably develop our country and be a much more developed country by 2030. If we make an integrated effort, I am confident that it is possible.
Thank you, Vikram, for the information.
Hey Dhruv, do you know what are today's news headlines?
No, I don't.
Okay, so let me ask my friends to tell you the news. So now I'd like to call upon Rutajit, Nishad and Akshat for the news.
Good morning everyone, I am news reader Nishad Gujar. So today's headlines are India reports 2.9 lakhs new COVID-19 cases, number lower than Sunday's. Parliament budget session 2022 starts from today. First part to extend till February 11. Chennai Super Kings becomes India's first sports unicorn enterprises. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I am Rutajit from 6G and I am gonna share international news. US Congressman urges Biden to reject Imran Khan's pick as the next Pakistani ambassador. 10 killed, many injured in Kenya as vehicle runs over explosive. Whose push for 70% vaccination? Equitable use of strategies on 2 years of COVID. Qatar approves Pfizer BioNTech's vaccine for children aged 5 to 11 years. Canada PM Trudeau moved to secret locations as protest flares up. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Akshath Ranjan and I am going to tell you the news about the Sustainable Development Goals. Use budget to sink climate and growth. The Finance Minister must build on last year's call for the retirement of inefficient coal power plants, fiscal science that will move the investment away from the coal plants to clean energy and even consider a moratorium on our new coal power plants. The COP26 goals in mind, centers of new pilots. An inter-minister meeting was held recently wherein all stakeholder departments across all sectors, coal, steel, cement, transport, shipping, railways, civil, aviation, urban and more. We were asked to draw upon action plans to help achieve the COP26 goals at the earliest, ET has learned. Tech and data will drive the future of Indian intercity bus travel sector. Intercity bus travel, equipped with technology and buoyed with the huge opportunity, is set to witness a much needed structural change in now how India chooses to travel. CII FBN to gather Indian family businesses to spearhead sustainable development. FBN headquarters in Lausanne, Switzerland is a leading organization of business owning family. Thank you.
Thank you, Rutajit, Nishad and Akshat for giving us the news.
Hey, do you remember about where India stands in the terms of sustainable development, Naisha? Hey, what are you thinking about?
I was thinking of a question my friend had given to me, but I could not answer it.
Question sounds interesting. Naisha, do you want to have a quiz round?
Yeah, sure, I would love it. And I think all have basic information about sustainable development. So let's have a quiz on it.
So, to have a small quiz on sustainable development, I would like to call upon Sarvesh and Tanisha.
Good morning, everyone. I, Tanisha Pillai, will be conducting a quiz for today. There are just a few small steps that you need to follow to join this quiz. First, my friend Survey should be sharing a link in the chat box which everyone can access and enter the quiz. If you cannot see the link in the chat box, Don't worry, you can use this code shown on the screen. Let me quickly walk you through the steps. In any internet browser, open www.quizzes.com. Enter code and enter a join two test spots and you're ready to go. Now, you have 3 minutes to complete the quiz and your time starts now. One minute left. Now everyone's 3 minutes are almost up in 3, 2, 1. Thank you all for participating in our quiz.
Start. Thank you, Tanisha and Sarvesh, for such an astonishing quiz. Naisha, could you answer any of them?
I know what you are thinking.
Still, I'm going to check if you have really answered any question. So, do you know that when sustainable development came into existence?
Yeah, I know. It came into existence in 1987. Yeah, that reminds me about my cat's birthday.
Oh, not your cat again. But Naisha, do you know whose birthday is that today?
No, I don't.
So now I would like to call upon Avneeka to wish the students who are celebrating their birthday today.
Happy birthday, Swarnal Patrick from 6D. Hope you enjoy your day. God bless you.
Oh yeah, now I remember. It's my friend Swarneel's birthday. I wish you a very happy birthday, Swarneel.
Now, Dhruv, would you like to hear an interesting word?
Yeah, of course. I would like it. And not only me, all present here would like to hear it too.
So, to hear an interesting word, I would like to call upon Unmesha for the word of the day.
Good morning, one and all present here. Today's word for the day is versatile. Versatile describes about skills and quality. Versatile allows you to adapt with different situations. Example that your versatile is in sports, that you can play hockey, cricket, soccer. Thank you.
Thank you, Unmesha, for such an amazing word. Wasn't it amazing, Dhruv?
Yeah, surely it was.
La 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 la
What are
la.
you doing, Naisha?
I was singing a beautiful song.
Okay, but just to remind you, it was humming, not singing. Okay, would you like to hear a mesmerizing song now?
Yeah, I would love to hear it.
So now I would like to call upon some of my friends to sing a beautiful song.
Isn't it obvious? Whatever we do, we do it oblivious of everything but me and you. Does it make you furious that our pride has so consumed us that we can't decide?
Used to look up and see a million shiny dots across the sky, but we can't. It's not the same bright night.
You used to swing from the tree, so happy and stress free, with bright smiles, but we can't. Our garden is not that green.
You used to ride along to school on your cycles, the stories you so fondly remember, but we can't. Too much traffic.
But we can turn things around, take a day from concrete palaces. Look, Mother Nature is home out. Now we are ready to embrace it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's say the one we need and the lights so bright. Let's give our future a chance to smile. Let's sing together in the harmony of life. Let's sing the faded sounds that shine.
Oh, that we can look up and see a million shining doors across the sky. I use every time. Let's bring back a brighter night.
Wow, such a mesmerizing song, wasn't it, Naisha?
Yeah, indeed it was. Wait, so now we are going to present to you a segment which all would love to watch.
So here we have a mime act on sustainable development goals. Thank you for such a beautiful and emotional act. Okay, Naisha, what's the time now?
It's almost the time for a digital assembly to end.
Okay, then, so now I would like to call upon Arkish for the vote of thanks.
One and all, myself Arkish Momin, I would like to take the opportunity in extending my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who are present on the panel and attended our assembly. Special mention to our principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am and our supervisor Savita ma'am for giving us the opportunity to host the assembly. Our beloved teacher Munmun miss who guided us and supported us to make this event of today a successful one. Last but not least, my classmates who did a terrific job. It was indeed an engaging and interesting assembly. Lastly, all the spectators who were great audience, their presence motivated and supported us throughout. With this note, we end our session here. Take care, stay healthy, stay blessed. Have a great day.
Now, let us all stand up for the national anthem.
As said by my favorite author, Frank Herbert, there is no real ending. There is no real ending, it's just the place where you stop the story.
So here we end our digital assembly. Hope you liked it. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. Goodbye.